solar arc, the four suns of Uranian astrology. Many people become confused because Uranian astrology has four, not three suns. We have our natal or radix sun, the directed sun, the transiting sun, and the solar arc sun. Now remember that when we are doing astrology math, we always add planet points and TNPs clockwise and subtract counterclockwise. So let's get into some slides demonstrating this and how we work this. I've chosen to do the charts of the founder, his colleague, a man who claimed to be his astrology teacher and the man who published his work. So let's begin with Alfred Witte's chart. Every chart, by the way, is set up for 4th of August 1941, 12 p.m. Hamburg, Germany. All of their birth data will be seen in the center circle on our first slide series for those of you that want to follow along using the app. Uranian astrology is layers of understanding and applying all of that at once. So always keep in mind our previous week's lesson and apply every week's lessons in the layers of your analysis and interpretation of the work. So remember last week, the lessons of energy and mathematical reduction of the 360-degree dial to 90 degrees and the energy of the planets. So let's begin with our founder, Alfred Witte, and his natal sun, which resides at 342 degrees 9 minutes 30 seconds on the 360 dial and is reduced to 72 degrees 9 minutes 30 seconds on the 90 degree dial. So this is also Sun-Neptune energy. Next is his directed sun, which is at 44 degrees 36 minutes 4 seconds on a 360 dial, which is Sun-Neptune-Venus energy, and is reduced to the same spot at 44 degrees 36 minutes 4 seconds by mathematical equation of dividing by 4. Next, we have the transiting sun, which is the same for everyone in this demonstration and for that day, and that is at 131 degrees 37 minutes 3 seconds, which is now Sun-Neptune-Sun energy again. And when reduced, we find it at 41 degrees 37 minutes 3 seconds. And the solar arc sun, which is at 62 degrees 22 minutes 34 seconds, or Sun-Neptune-Mercury, and when reduced by 4 is still 62 degrees 26 minutes 34 seconds. Now, what confuses people in the solar arc, which in Uranian astrology tells us how the world sees the native, Uranian astrology factors the earth we live on into astrology, and how the native energy of the planets reflects on Earth and on each of us individually as the Earth moves through its annual orbit around the actual sun. The definition is the energy of the planets and their relationship to the native's human and earthly experience is factored into every axis point equation. The math is simple. For those confused by the larger number being subtracted, don't worry. We just add or subtract 360 to the equation when the directed sun is less than the natal sun. And when the number exceeds 360, we subtract 360 degrees, just as the ancient Babylonians.